All right, guys, got the first mod for the Model 3 standard range coming up. Take a look at the car. What do you think the first modification should be? Well, actually, here's the first modification. We're not going to count this though. My floor mats from my Model Y, I'll link the video down there. It may not be exact, but they are close enough. The front fits good, and the back does as well. You know, I think on the Y there may have been a little tighter fit, but this works perfect. I've also got two car seats back here already, but we're not going to count that as the first mod. We'll say first exterior modification. It's got to be the wheels. Now, I know those Aero wheels serve a function, but I just don't like the way they look. And what's even more incredible is that apparently there is a good looking wheel underneath here. So we're going to get these things pulled off and see what's underneath. So that's a good looking wheel. The only thing you really need, oh, is this a scratch? Surely not. No, it's just dirt. All you need is something to cover the lug nuts and then the center cap here, and you'd have a really good looking wheel. And peel this sticker off. I think that looks way better. Okay, so let me show you what I have. All right, guys, I actually got this before I even got the car. I'll put a link in the description below. I'm not affiliated with this company. They didn't give me this. It was only $16. It was on an Amazon deal. It just comes with some plastic black caps for the lug nuts and then a center cap here. So let's see what this looks like. See if there's any trick to putting these on. Looks like they just go on. Well, that already looks better. All right, let's see what the center cap looks like. Let's just see what happens if we try to put that in here. And I want to get all these kind of lined up the same way, so wherever the tire is now, we're going to put that T like it's facing up. What do you think? Not bad for 16 bucks, right? Definitely looks better than the Aero wheel to me. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of these and then we'll see what the car looks like. Look at the difference. Looks like a totally different car. I'll be honest, I had no idea until I just did a little research that these wheels were even on the car. I didn't know those were hubcaps. I just thought they were ugly wheels. Now, if you like those wheels, hey, it's a personal preference, but I think it looks much better without. Now I just got to get the wheels cleaned up and we'll be good to go. So first mod down on the Tesla, and probably my cheapest mod, as it costs less than 20 bucks to make those wheels look like that.